નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. This is part 2 of 7th Science chapter 2, and name of the chapter is Nutrition in Animals. So let's discuss. In the last part, we discussed the modes of feeding of different animals, about these animals. Now in this part, let's discuss first of all the amazing fact about starfish. Starfish feeds on animals covered by hard shells of calcium carbonate. Now let me tell you which are the hard shells of calcium carbonate. You know, Shankh and Cody. You know very well, isn't it? Actually, those are hard shells of calcium carbonate, and actually it is a house of soft animals. So let's read once again. Starfish feeds on animals covered by hard shells of calcium carbonate. After opening the shell, the starfish pops out its stomach through its mouth to eat the soft animals inside the shell. First of all, let's try to understand pops out. Pops out means to put out something. So, what starfish does? Starfish puts out or pops out its stomach थ्रू इट्स माउथ. वो अपना स्टमक निकालती है थ्रू इट्स माउथ टू ईट द सॉफ्ट एनिमल इनसाइड द शेल. द स्टमक देन गोज बैक इनटू द बॉडी and the food is slowly digested the way starfish used to feed. Then now let's discuss digestion in humans. We take in food through the mouth, digest and utilize it. The unused parts of the food are defecated, means thrown out, that is defecated. Once again, we take in food through the mouth, digest and utilize it. The unused parts of the food are defecated. However, have you ever wondered that what happens to the food inside the body? The food passes through a continuous canal which begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. The canal can be divided into various compartments. So, what it wants to say that actually we used to intake food and it passes through a big canal, isn't it? And actually that canal can be divided into various compartments. There are various compartments of the canal, and first compartment is the buccal cavity. Second one is food pipe of or esophagus. Third one is stomach. Fourth, small intestine. Fifth one, large intestine ending in the rectum, and the sixth one is the anus. It is not a very long path. These parts together form the alimentary canal, digestive tract. Alimentary canal. Actually, let's see once more what is actually alimentary canal. Actually, the alimentary is relating to nourishment. Can you see? Alimentary relating to nourishment. That is why, see, in that canal food goes and digest, isn't it? And that is why it is relative to nourishment. That is why it is digestive tract. The food components gradually get digested as food travels through the various compartments. The inner walls of the stomach and the small intestine and the various glands associated with the canal, such as salivary glands, the liver, and pancreas, secrete digestive juices. The digestive juices convert complex substances of food into simpler ones. The digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system. The digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system. First of all, let's see human digestive system, so that you could come to know which are the digestive tract or the part and the associated glands. That what we are going to see in this human digestive system. Let's see. First of all, here in the mouth, that is a buccal cavity in which salivary gland is there, isn't it? Then this is esophagus. Okay, then here you can see liver. This part you can see is a liver. Okay, then this is a gallbladder. Then this part is stomach, isn't it? Then pancreas. See, this big one gland is known as pancreas. Okay, then here you can see small intestine. See, inner part, this all is a small intestine. Okay, then this is a big intestine or large intestine, isn't it? Then here you can see is a rectum and anus. Okay, this is anus. So this is complete digestive system, that what we discussed or we see in this figure. Now let us know what happens to the food in different parts of the digestive tract. First of all, the mouth and buccal cavity. See, we input the food or we ingest the food in the mouth, that is buccal cavity. Food is taken into the body through the mouth. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. The taking of food into the body or in the mouth is called ingestion. We chew the food with the teeth and break it down mechanically into small pieces. In the mouth, what we used to do? We chew the food with the teeth, with the help of teeth, and with the help of teeth we break it down mechanically into small pieces. Each tooth is rooted in a separate socket in the gums. Once again, we have many teeth in our mouth, and each tooth is rooted in a separate socket in the gums. Our teeth vary in appearance and perform different functions. Actually, you know that there are many tooth or many teeth in our mouth, isn't it? And they are vary in appearance, means they have different shapes. Vary means alag alag, different in shapes, that is vary in appearance, and perform different functions. According, accordingly, they are given different names. Actually, they have different names. Okay. So let's first of all see the tooth and its name. You can see many teeth are there, isn't it? See here you can see figure 2.3, arrangement of teeth and different type of teeth. Here let's see, there are many teeth are there and their name. See, first of all you can see molar, isn't it? So in this side 3 molar tooth are there and another 3, so total 6 molar teeth are there. Then after premolar, those are 2 over here and 2 over here, so total 4 premolar tooth are there. Then after canine, see, one over here and second one over here, total 2 canine teeth are there. Then here total 1 2 3 4 incisor, isn't it? Incisor teeth are there. So these are the different name of the tooth and different shapes of the tooth. That what we discuss in this part, and once again we will discuss regarding this teeth only in the next part. Okay, and we will complete this table also in the next part. By this time we are ending this part 2, both this video repetitively. Okay, thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.